Hey guys, this is Julian with Julian Tech Reviews, back with another video. And today we are going to continue our watch series. However, we are going to do a quick comparison video with the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and the OnePlus Watch 2. Now, what we're going to talk about is whether the Galaxy Watch still is the best Android watch on the market, or does it have a good competitor right behind its heels. But before we do that, if you can please like and subscribe to this channel, we would greatly appreciate it. Your subscriptions mean a lot to us. So please don't hesitate and smash that like button for us, and you'll get the latest videos once we post them. Okay, so hey, you have 300 bucks and you're deciding if you want the best Android watch or you want a watch that is the latest that just came out, or you just want to meander and just do nothing. But this is not why we're here. We're here to help you decide if you want the Android watch that is considered the best, which is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, or you want the OnePlus Watch 2 that just came out this year. So let's just talk about a couple of comparisons. So let's talk about the, I guess, millimeter size. So currently I have an aftermarket casing on it, but essentially this is what the watch looks like with the casing off. So I decided to get this one, but let's just talk about the size. So the size of this one is a 47 millimeter compared to a 46 millimeter on the OnePlus watch here. A couple of things that this watch has, which is the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, that it does not have on the OnePlus. This is a ECG certified watch, so you can get your ECG monitor here, blood pressure monitor, and it does have a 50 meter water resistance, so the IP68, so it goes a little bit deeper. Also, when it comes to display, it does, each watch both have sapphire crystal. However, the OnePlus Watch 2 is a sapphire crystal glass, which I believe is less tough because it has glass on there. This watch has a display of a Super AMOLED display compared to just a regular AMOLED display here. So pretty cool. Then let's talk about the system. So currently both of them have Android Wear OS, but Samsung has their own skin on top of it. So this is a One UI Watch 5. And the chipset on the Samsung is a Exynos W930, which is 5nm compared to the Qualcomm Dragon W5 Gen 1, which is a 4nm. So take that or we'll leave it. When it comes to memory, this watch has 16 gigabytes with 2 gigs of RAM. So less storage than this one, which has 32 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of storage and 2 gigabytes of RAM. So pretty neat. All right, so let's talk about sound. So obviously, if you're rolling with Samsung, the sound is going to be a lot better, which it is, and I can confirm that. This watch also has LTE connectivity, so you can use this watch as a phone by itself if you set up with your cell phone connector, whereas with the OnePlus you cannot. OnePlus Watch 2 you cannot. Okay, so let's talk about all the so it has a lot of features on this phone, which is why you're paying a lot more on this one. It has the accelerometer, it has the proximity, compass, heart rate monitor, barometer, thermometer for skin temperature. Okay, and all right, so let's talk about the battery life. So the battery life, the winner goes to the OnePlus Watch 2. This has 100 hours of use on a low power mode, which doesn't hinder the watch at any point, but it is definitely beating out the battery life of this one. And I don't think it's because that this has a 425 milliamp battery where that one has a 500. I don't think 75 milliamps is a huge difference in theory, but I believe the chipset on this is causing the battery life to be a lot better. So that is just lines up with the traditional OnePlus company methodology, or their slogan, which is better battery life and budget-friendly prices. So flagship quality, budget-friendly prices. Okay, and then obviously this only comes in, both of them come in two different colors. However, the price is where it could potentially be separated in this battle. So the price initially when this came out for the Watch Classic was about $399. Obviously you can get deals if you turn in anything, any kind of watch. And the initial price of this one was $299. So initially both of these, the price will go to here. However, aftermarket watches, when it comes to this, and if you decide to get another Samsung watch, you can get this for even low as $100. Obviously you have to get the watch as an incentive to get this discounted. But however, you can do the same thing with the OnePlus. If you get the latest OnePlus 12 watch, you can get this down to as low as like 100 or $80, as I did with my bundle package that I have in my previous video. And I'll post the link in the description. I'll post the link right here, actually. So it just really depends on what you're in the mood for. My ideology is that you should have the same watch with the same company and keeping the same ecosystem. However, if you just have like a Motorola watch, for instance, then, you know, this is a good comparison for you to have when it comes to your decision. So it's just really, you know, how you feel, which company is better or whatnot. Okay, so this is what it looks like on my wrist. So voila. And then when it comes to just the speed, I mean, it has a really snappy, you know, platform. So the chipset is pretty good, Exynos. And when it comes to the OnePlus Watch, I mean, it's beautiful and gorgeous. All that, and the radiance still shines. And it's just up to you. What do you think is best? I mean, this is nice. If you have a OnePlus Watch, it goes perfectly with it. If you got the white variant, that's great. So awesome. So in conclusion, it is really up to you what type of watch you want when it comes to Android. I'm still debating on it as we speak right now, because I really love the Samsung Galaxy Watch. I've been a Samsung fan, as you can see, but OnePlus is coming really strong with this offering of their watch and their wearable. So I don't know what to do in this situation. So I'm just gonna do a little bit more testing. You know, obviously the Samsung Classic here was built for just beefy features, and you know, you're gonna pay for it in the price, but the price now is to the point where you can really consider it. And more than likely, I'm gonna stick with the Samsung just because Samsung is great. And I'm still wanting a little bit more features with the OnePlus Watch. I want the ECG monitor. I want all the health options that Samsung is currently providing. But it is really up to you. Really just minor, small differences. I mean, if you're really into using your watch as a cell phone, that's going to be a deal breaker for you if you want to get this watch, because this does not have any connection to any phone or service where it can be used as a cell phone by itself. So it's really up to you. I'm going to stick with the Samsung as the winner, and that's what I'm going to do. All right, so let me know what you think in the comments. What are you rocking if you were to choose the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic or the OnePlus Watch 2? Let me know in the comments what you would choose, or let me know if there's anything that will sway my opinion to keep either the OnePlus Watch 2 or the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Well, thank you for showing up here once again, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it, and thank you for visiting with us again. Peace out.